form6.html, start from HTML, then you follow the body tag, and after that you follow the which tag? Table tag. Okay. Inside the table tag, keep align center, align equal to center, and after that cell padding should be 10. New variants are there in the market, so don't forget your mask. Okay, from morning to till evening, I'll speak in mask only. Okay, where? I have taken both the vaccine, both the dose, but still, who knows? Vaccine may get fail anytime. No guarantee. Where the mask? Okay, let's go now. Right inside a caption. Yes, H1 you can follow. Form with row span. Form with row span. Form with row span. Okay, let's go ahead next. Write a TR, and in that write BG color also. As a pink color. Write a TR with the BG color as a pink. Write a TR with the BG color as a pink. How many TR we want? 3 TR. So first we'll complete the first TR. In the first TR, follow one TD. Input type equal to text. Placeholder equal to enter your name. Enter your name. After that, create one more TD. Text area. Open and close, and for that, let it be till here. Text area open close. Next, you write another TR. Follow the TD. Keep inside a mobile number. Input type equal to mobile. Input type equal to number. Enter your mobile number. Clear? Now write one more TD. Input type equal to email. Enter your email ID. Hope ready? Check now. Your page will get little break here there. Page is breaking. Page breaking meaning something like this. It will not be proper aligned. Not in proper aligned, right? Aligned only, but something wrong. This is till here. It has to come till here. Okay, hold on. How to increase the height of the text area? Rows. ROWS. People will ask in interview, row or rows? We should be sure, yes, it is not row, it's called rows. People will ask model or module. Understand? No, words look similar, model and module. Correct? So if you have not control on the words, instead of model, we'll say module. Instead of module, we'll say a model. Okay, and ROWS, rows equal to give 10. And then check. Your page will get de-aligned automatically. Your page will get de-aligned. Page got de-aligned. Something will go here, there. See. This is not coming till here. Check now. Look similar or something else. Look here, try it. You not finished, right? Now let's see. For text area, rho is equal to 10. So, look at here. This okay. Here also PR open, PR close. Here open close. Here also PR open close. Text area. Rows equal to 10. Save the point. This time this. The same set of time. The same point you are running. So text area. Text area, CR, all are correct only. TD some space is there. Can you remove that space? TDT, line number 16. 116. Not that space. TD, report. Complete, we find out the error. Okay, so look at here. Text area we are given the rows as a 10, so it's got increased little. Okay, so we wanted to make up like this. We wanted to match up like this. So in that case now, for the TD, you will write as a row span. Row span. Row span equal to 3. 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 So the one TD, last TD will take the place of how many rows? 3 rows. Last TD will take the place of 3 rows. Last TD will take the place of 3 rows. Taking the place of 3 rows. Now what will happen is 3 row space got combined. That is called a row span. See, earlier it was going here there. Now as soon as you wrote the row span 3, so the space of first TR, space of second TR, space of third TR got combined for last TD. For the last TD, instead of following the TD 3 times, we have not written TD 3 times. We have written TD only 1 time. And for the second TD, we say row span is a 3. Means you take the place up to how much? 3 rows. So BG color you have given for that purpose only. See here, for TR you have given the BG color is a pink color. Pink color is here, and the same pink color is coming till here. That meaning the TD is taking the place till down. Okay, now what? Or if you want to remove the BG color from the TR, you cut from here, no problem. Apply for the last TD, this TD, and then check this TD is taking the place for 3 TR or not. We have cut the BG color from the TR, and that we applied for where? TD. Now under the TD we have BG color equal to pink. Clear? Check now. Taking the place of 3TR. Okay. Now we want to create one button in the last. It's happening for you? Not happening. Working? Okay. Let's go now. Write one more TR. We'll find out the problem. Write one more TR with one TH. TH of call span equal to 2. Call span 2. Call span 2. Now write inside a button something send message. Send message. Yeah. Now this TD, TH here written call span 2. What will happen if you write without call span? See now button is coming in the center. Button is coming in the center. You can remove call span and then see where it is going. It will come in the left side. Then why that problem? Because in the first row we have total 2 columns. Total 2 columns. Your second TR is also maintaining the ratio of 2 columns. Third TR is also maintaining the ratio of 2 columns. Here you have written row span 3 because of that. Now the last TR after 3, see here, 1, 2 and then 3. 3 TR in the sense row span 3 is over. Row span 3 is over. Now if you are creating the 4th row, then under the 4th row, there must be 2 columns. Whether you need to write the 2 column or if you are writing only 1 column, then this property is required there. That is called call span. Call span property will be required. Then only, so call span 2 we have given. So button will come in the center. Let me remove call span 2 and then try. Without call span 2, it is coming in the first block. It is coming in the first TD. Call span 2 if you give, it will come to the second. Take now. Confirm ones look similar or different? What is your term here? Or text area is written. Viewer is written. You are at other things. Other thing. You are at here. You are at that means you are running the different file. That you run. How you are running. The file was somewhere else and you are surfing somewhere else. That many times that problem will come. Depends on where you want the button. Yeah, button if you want in the left side, then no need of give the call span. If you want the button in the right side, then we can follow the call span. Okay, button if you want in center, then only you can follow the call span, else no problem. Okay. So logic we understood or not? Row span logic 1, 5. Okay. Let's come back. We will be creating one more example. Okay. So this file you leave now. If it is working, then okay. Only 3 people replied. Out of 10, 12, 13, 14, only 3 has replied. Any problem? Shall I share the code? If you keep saying yes, no, working, not working, will be helpful to understand yes, you are on the track. Okay, so I send you the table to table code. You can follow that. If any error, use that. Okay, go ahead then. Next design will be something like this. Suppose in this file, let me do the Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Suppose next file, if you create like this, one text box and one more text box. One text box and one more text box. In the first row. In the second row, you have only one text box. In the third row, you have again two text box. Two text box. In the fourth row, you have one more text box. So how many TR is required? 4 TR is required, and here is one button called submit. Submit. Okay. So in the first row, how many TD? 2 TD. Second row, only one TD. Call span 2. It will cover the full width. Third row, we have total 2 TD. Separate 2 text box. Fourth row, we have a text area with the call span 2. It should cover full width. Last, we have button again. Button should come in center. So how many again? Call span 2. Then only it will combine the space of 2 columns and button will come in the middle. We are going to create this page. Okay, something called any heading you can write, no problem. Register and register. Can you try that? Possible to try. Even I will also write the code, but just 5 minutes for you. See how much code I am able to write, that is not matter. How much you are able to write, that is a matter. Okay, try that. Even I will also write in 5 minutes, but first 5 minutes is yours. Now hope your finger started moving on keyboards, right? Finger should understand the keyboards. After that, everything will be well. Nothing to worry. Just start writing. R is capital. Words when we write less than 30 characters, 130 characters, first character will be uppercase. It will better. Anything? Disable update. Once it will restart now. Inform to your system saying that never update. Just disable update from the firewall. One person reply something done. Very good. Okay, let me write also. Can compare. So offline people is slower than online people. Let me create the file called 6 or 7, form 7. Form 7.html. In that HTML we should have body, we have table also, we can have data align equal to center, cell padding is it, yeah. Caption H1, register. create a TR. TH. See, TD you can follow or TH also you can follow, no problem. Because as per the photo, you're not displaying anywhere label, directly text box there. So you can follow TH is also fine, TD is also fine. In that, input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. 1 and 1. First row is ready. Copy the same TR again. Only one TD you need here. Only one TD we need here, and in that TD we have to write call span how many? 2. And you have to increase the width of text box also using which property? Size property. Give somewhere 50, 60. Then check. Text box size got increased or not. Check this file, how that look? See something like this. 50, 50 become little more. Maybe 47 we have to give. 47. 47. So it will come, okay, 47 is become less. 48. 48 somewhere is okay. Next TR. Next TR. Something like this. First TR 1, second TR how many? 2. Let us check now how that look. Something like this. Now next we required one text area. So we can follow one more TD like this. One text area. We need to open the text area and we need to close the text area. rows equal to 5 and calls equal to somewhere 48. After that, check once. Something like this. Correct it if you have any mistake. Now you need to have a button. So, but for button, what should be the call span? 1 or 2? Button is in center here. So button should be again under the call span 2. Okay, write a button, submit. You will see the button will come in left side. If you follow the TD, the button will appear in the left side. TD, if you follow, it will come in the left side. TD by default appear in the left side only. TH, if you write, then it will come in center. See, button came in the left. But along with the TD, also we can put in the center. We have a property called align equal to center. So this will work now. Align equal to center. Your system is still going on already. Ready? Yes. Okay. Look here. Okay. So hope looks similar. Now in this, if you give this form to user, this form will appear in front of you. You will enter here email, you will enter here password. I will enter my password here, I will enter my email here. Label we have not given. So instead of giving the label, we are going to apply the placeholder. Let's apply the placeholder. Placeholder equal to name or maybe first name. Second placeholder for the second text box. Last name. Third one is called email. Placeholder equal to email. The fourth one, placeholder, password, password. Second placeholder, re-enter the password. The fourth text area, placeholder, full address. This way user will understand, yes, what I need to fill here. Hope I added the placeholder. So this will look like this. Now the change the table BG color different and change the body BG color different. For body, keep the BG color as a maybe pink color, and for table, keep the BG color something else. Given the BG color, a table background is different and the body background is different. Remember the BG color equal to, suppose if I follow here light green for table, sorry, for body light green BG color, and for table BG color is a something else, a sky blue.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, in the second text box is there, no?
Hmm.
In there we mentioned call span is equal to 2.
Where? Here.
Sir, if we give call span is equal to 2, means it by default it will take the size of the above 2 text box. Again, why we need to mention the size is equal to 50 size property, sir? Means we need to make it manually, na? Or by default, how it will be, sir?
I remove size property now. Look into the page. Text box width will get decreased. Text
So,
box
but
will
there
become,
we mentioned call span is equal to 2, no? Means it will take the 2 text box space, right?
Now see, I added the size and I will remove the call span. Then you see, first you need sufficient space, then only you can spread your leg. Understood or not? We want to sit somewhere. We want to spread our leg. Means what? We want the text box should be bigger. So for big text box, we need sufficient space. So sufficient space will come from where? TD. First, you have to increase the width of TD. After that, increase the width of which one? Text box. Because of that, it was written here, call span 2 and size how much? 48. Call span 2 for what purpose? To increase the width of which one?
Text box.
Not text box. Increase the width of TD.
TD. Okay.
Yes. And after that, size equal to 48 to increase the width of text box.
Okay. That is for TD and the size is for text box, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I got it. Thank you.
Okay, then go ahead. So hope this file we understood, background we given and everything is organized properly. We need to create one more file. Create one more file. So this working for everyone. Still someone is writing. Completed. Anyone writing from internet online, please reply in the chat. If you are writing, then we'll wait, else we'll move next. Completed. Okay, very good. You have to ask and you'll be See the file name, what is the writing? Use one part collector. Until we are not good, we don't have much idea. It will not give a lot of trouble. See the file. Okay, let's come create one more file. We know how to display the image. IMG tag. So whichever wherever you are going to save the file, you should have file called image. Okay, so suppose in left side we have one photo, not a square, circle. Like this is also fine. One photo here. One photo will come. Now after that, right hand side your name. Like suppose you will display your name. I'll keep my name YADAY. Okay. So now how many TD? 2 TD. One table and 2 TD. Correct, no? In the first TD there will be photo, height 100 width 100, and second TD using H1 you will print your name. Correct? Try that. Do that much. Create a page, form9.html. Inside that, what will follow? We will follow one table, one TD, one table inside TR and TD. In the first TD, one photo, and in the second TD, using H1, you display your name. In the second TD, using H1, you display your name. After doing that, reply by done. Then I'll write next. If I'll design all, you will get confused step by step. In one table, create a TR, write 2 TD, first TD one photo, and second TD using H1 display your name. Okay, so many people replied done. Yes, from here done. Okay. Now after that, next is one TR. How many table? One table, one TR, two TD. One photo is coming, and your name is coming the right hand side. Photo height, how much you are given? 100 by 150, or maybe height 150 and width 100. Okay. Next, after that, there is the next row. Inside the next row, next row in the sense next TR. See, understand this content first, then you can write. Okay. In the next row, it is like this. No. That's what. First see and then decide. Not text area. Table width, how much you are given? Table width, we are given anything? Give the table width 400. Give table width 400. Give the table width 400. Give the table width 400. See this. Now how many TR? Second TR. This is the second TR, right? In the second TR, only one TD. And it is covering how much width? Full width? Full width or half width? It's covering full width, yeah? Call span 2. Create a TR and TD call span 2 and display some text inside. Try like this. Up try karo. You can try something. I will also write. You can compare. Hope we created. You created one TR. There should we see. I'll write here documentation. A TR. Under the TR, what you will follow? TD. And this TD will have. No. TD will have call span. Call span. Call span equal to how much? 2. Call span 2. And inside the TD, see the TD got closed here. TD got closed here. Now TR also will get closed here. Complete code I have written. Complete code I have written. TR open, TD close, and here now you can write the text. No, you can write some text ABCD. Right. Oh, completed. Okay, very good. Then you have made this. Now after that, so hope your page look like this. Next, after that, in the left hand side, your mobile number +91, some number in the left hand side, mobile number, and the right hand side, your age, 30 years. So how many TD is required here? 2 TD. Let's follow. Hope ready. After that, 2 columns. Next, below to that, you are going to write like this. It's still going on. Left hand side, there will be education in the bold. Education is a bold. Okay. The right hand side, you will be writing your education. Example, MCA. So this is the bold, you can take here. Then you can date of birth, or maybe year of passing. Year of passing, you can write here some year, maybe 2020. So how many TD is required? We require total 2 TD. Left side is a TD. TH you can follow, no problem. You can follow 2 TH. One TH in the left, another TH in the right. Finally, we have to look into your code. Output, what you have made it. Can anyone send the final file? What is the output you have got? We need to have a look into the code of any one person. Send कीजिए, please send anyone one file, or maybe you can send code also. What is the output? Oh, something wrong. Keep a small height photo, 200 by 100. Table width how much we are given? Something 0. Photo accepted photo. Make 100 by 100. Your how is it? What's going on? Output is not satisfactory output. I thought you will have completed. See, this is the output, okay? Come. First, let me keep a folder in my photo in current folder. This is my form. I will keep a photo here. So, today you download, everyone download some better photo. Okay, 10 photo you download from internet, wallpapers, and keep in your system. Every time you need one photo. After downloading, rename 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see, I kept one photo. I'll create a file. Let me save anything. Form 9, 10, anything. I will not call now. One will get disconnect. Form 9.html. Let it be, no problem. File name can be anything. HTML body. Inside the body, you have a table. Okay. Table, you limit the width. Cell padding equal to 15. Align as a center. Align as a center. After that, TD, the first TD, we wanted to display the image. IMG SRC equal to 1.jpg. That photo should be in your current folder, and height of the photo 120 and width of the photo suppose 100. This you are supposed to do easily. In the second TD, I have asked you to display your name. Like suppose you open the H1, under the H1 write your name. You can write some name. My name is SIYARAM YADAV. Okay. So I wrote here. So what will come is the table also should have some limit. Don't give full width. Width equal to give 400 maximum. So in first TD image will come, and second TD what will come? Text will come. Okay, second TR. You can see the output also how that look. So here is the output. Coming. Second TR should have one TD. Should have one TD. Call span equal to 2. In that, you are going to display some text, but text don't display without paragraph. You will use the p tag and display here. That 3-4 line. Don't customize on contents. If you customize on content, then you will not understand in better way. See, I wrote one line. I made copy paste 3-4 times. It will look perfect. Filled content. Next one was mobile number and age. So we will create on one more TR. In that 2 TD will come. 1 TD will hold the mobile number +91 88841 66608. And then second TD will hold the age, suppose 35 years, this way. So what you will get now? You will get total 3 DR. Right till here, if something was wrong. Hope ready. See, it's look like this. Next, what else we have? We have education and year of passing. So write one more TR. A TD. TH you can follow first. Call education. Write a TD. Something. Next, write one more TD. TR. TH. Passing year. Something. Check now how that look. So ready. Something like this. Similar or different? You can use paragraph tag if the text length is more than 130 character. Clear? Don't use paragraph tag for a small for testing purpose. You can write there is no problem. Okay, something like this. Okay, then we'll see you again tomorrow. I will send you some more tasks in your this one WhatsApp. Please try that. Okay. 4 file I'll send you. 4-5 file. You can try. You should not ignore the homework. Do that. Homework is the everything.